Hey guys, Emerald Amethyst here. Emerald Archer H here. Um, I'm gonna be playing some Terraria Overhaul. I started like for a minute. Let's see how far I got. I also have a few other mods like Redemption, Louis FK, and Rebs mod. My game is gonna crash. I don't know why. Probably because I have Overhaul. Stone. Probably delete some stuff. I don't know what any of this stuff does. So I think I should probably get out of here. Ah, crap. What's ancient gold? I don't know what any of this is. I've never ever played Overhaul before. I just want to get out of this area. Just want to get out. Oh no. I don't know how to play Overhaul. I burnt my house 7 times. Oops. Look at that dirt. Where's my dirt? Here it is. Come on. Stop hitting me. Just wanna find some iron. It's not iron, it's not iron. I do not know what anything is. I would say this is basically like RL curves. Oh shoot. Okay. What? Did you see that, guys? I just clipped through the wall. I don't know what happened there, but I just clipped through the wall. All I care about is... Oh, come on. Come on. Wait, that's iron. I want iron. So I can start some sort of generator. Oh. Oh no, all my torches. No. I guess that torch didn't go out. Why is my screen shaking? What is that? I just heard a creeper sound or something. I don't know what that sound is. Sounds good though. Oh shoot! How do I get out of this? Depth meter. How am I supposed to get out of this? I was looking for some iron. Now I'm stuck in this cave. I figured out you can't exit and rejoin to go back to the spawn point. All I hope is it's not night. Oh, come on. I'm basically falling for every single trap there is. I think I'm finally getting up. If you played Overhaul, it's pretty good music, but you can't hear it for some reason. Don't. It's probably gonna burn. I just want to get out of here. That's all. He left me. Help me. I don't know what that is. Moonflare bat? What's moonflare? Oh. Oh god, it's night. I gotta hide. I am just gonna run. Because I don't know what to do. Last night, this is like my second night. I didn't even know there were seasons until the freaking first night ended. I just want to get back to my house. That's a lot of stuff. God, you're strong. Okay, so let me store some of this stuff because I don't have space for all of it. I don't know what moon flares are, but what are ancient gold coins? I basically don't know what anything is in this mod, so started fresh in Terraria. Oh, come on. This is literally me in the guy's house. All I want is an anvil. So now I have an anvil and a furnace and craft stuff. Here's my silver. I don't want to die. I found it. Come on. How, do you just use it in your hand? How does this work? We're gonna craft some of this. I don't know what half of this stuff is. I might grab this. Can I kill things? No. I'm gonna try crafting silver armor. I don't know what I'm doing. Wait. No. Swing foot. It's not even as good as my baseball bat. It's like the same thing. Sure. Ooh. However, I got this. That's cool. What does it use as ammo? It doesn't need ammo. Cool. I just gotta find the armor. I don't think I can grab it. Come on. I'm just gonna save up this. Silicone just. Silicone failsafe. I don't know what I'm doing. I never use any of this one. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, here it is. Here it is. Oh my god. It is pushed to the ground. How do I... Why isn't this working? Oh yeah, Rub's mod. From Rub's mod.